Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.5610. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous downtrend after making a high from $3.141. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a clear pattern forming and the opposite U pattern is forming, showing that there is a chances of going further down, and chances are very high it will move further low, because there is a high probability that if you look at the dollar index also, there is a continuous upside we have seen, and once the dollar index keep moving upside, we can see there is a probability that natural gas can move further low. Okay, and I've already explained you that after 2023 the price of natural gas was moving in a range of $3 and $2. As soon as it breakout happens, we have seen a 3.5 high and as well as 3.6 high. Okay, as soon as it made a high from 3.6, there is a continuous downfall because profit booking has come at that particular level, and now it is below a level of $2.3 and it is trading at a level of $2.5540. So what we can see looking at this particular chart. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is after pandemic. There is a continuous upside we have seen. It was of creating a pattern that whenever it is hitting a new high, we have seen a fall is coming. This gap is still pending, and then if you have seen, the dollar index is continuously moving upside. Okay, which is showing that there is a probability that we can see natural gas can move further low. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, it is creating a pattern. So probability is high that once started going below a level of 2.5, a further downfall we can see. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend also, there is a higher chances that once started going above level of 2.75, a further upside movement, but if it started moving below 2.3, a further fall we can see, and this fall can be below a level of $2 also. Okay, so now if the let's see if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can move below a level of $2.5, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 2.3. Okay, and as soon as started going below a level of 2.3, we will see it can go below a level of $2 also. So what we can see looking at this particular chart, if it moves below a level of 2.5, we can see a level of $2.49 to a level of 2.38. Okay, and from there a probability of going towards 2.2. Once started going below a level of 2.2, we can see it will cross a level of $2.085. From there a probability of touching a level of $1.98 we can see, and once started going below a level of 1.98, then we can see a level of $1.646, and then a further downfall we can see, because there is a clear pattern forming showing a downtrend in the natural gas till the time it is not sustaining above a level of 2.75. Okay, so if it's moved below a level of $2, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. But suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see. Before that, you have to understand, always try to set your SL, it will save your capital. Okay, and always try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. These two things if you are doing, you can sustain for a longer period of time. Okay, but suppose if the price sustain this level or form a swing, what we can see. Suppose if it sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $2.5625. From there a probability of crossing a level of $2.6. From there we can see it can cross that level and can go towards $2.6890, and from there a probability of crossing that level, we can see it will cross a level of around 2.7. Okay, and then once started sustaining above 2.75, which I have already explained you, we can see there can be an uptrend forming. So chances will be high it can cross a level of $3 also as soon as it sustain above a level of 2.75. Okay, and then from there a probability of touching a level of after 2.7, we can see a level of 2.8, and from there a probability of crossing a level of $3 we can see. Okay, and then to a level of 3.112. Once the price started going above a level of $3.112, chances of touching a level of 3.3 we can see, and from there a probability of touching 3.5. Okay, as soon as started going above a level of 3.5, then the next resistance we can see coming at a level of 3.6. Okay, and then once started sustaining above a level of 3.6, there will be a zone breakout will happen and chances of going further upside we can see, and then to a level of 3.9. Okay, and once the price started sustaining above 3.9, a further upside movement we can see. Keep that in mind that once started going above level $3, there is a higher chances of touching a level of 3.4. From there, a probability of going towards 3.5. And if it started, because 3.5 is a weak resistance, so chances of touching a level of 3.6 we can see. Okay, and if started moving above that particular level, a probability of touching a level of 3.7 to a level of 3.9, and that gap can be filled. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please watch.